Welcome. In front of me is a UMIDIGI S3 Pro, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. And to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which I'm going to use settings as an example. And when it's open, all you need to do is press and hold power key and volume down. You will have this obnoxiously loud sound and an animation that the screenshot has been captured, along with a pop-up right here with 3 options, so share, edit, and delete. So that's one way, and I believe there's also a way when you hold the power key, you'll have the screenshot option as well. And sometimes there's also in the notification panel, but it looks like that's not the case on this phone. So anyway, once you capture your screenshots, you can find them now in your photo gallery. So let's find photos right here. And you can see that we have 2 screenshots right here. Now also, if you go, I believe, into the 3 bars, and there should be also albums. Maybe they will be created once you actually capture more photos. But it usually also creates an album called screenshots, which will contain, obviously, screenshots. But that being said, that is how you would capture screenshots on this phone. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.